Good day, beautiful people. I'm Justina and welcome back to my channel, DIY Natural Skincare. So today let's make another one, facial serum. I love making facial serums. They are so great, packed with the full great active ingredients, and they are super product to use and to incorporate in your skincare routine. So today we're gonna make a hyaluronic acid, niacinamide and panthenol facial serum. It's few simple ingredients. As you know, I like to keep it always simple. So as usual, the whole formula and recipe you will find in the description box below. What we're gonna need, so I have in here distilled water. You can substitute your distilled water percentage to any of your favorite hydrosols or any other like aloe vera juice, or any other like water-based ingredient. Although I do have in here aloe vera juice. Aloe vera juice is super good ingredient. It hydrates your skin, it moisturizes your skin, and I love to use aloe vera juice. So I have distilled water and aloe vera juice here. Then I have in here already pre-mixed, as you see, it is xanthan gum and glycerine. Of the whole formula, I have xanthan gum 0.2%, only a little bit, and then I have 5% of the glycerine. So I always pre-make them and just put them aside, leaving them aside for like 10-15 minutes, kind of for xanthan gum to incorporate very well with the aloe vera juice. And here is my vitamin B3 niacinamide, my favorite ingredient. And as well, I have a d-panthenol, which is very good ingredient. It's not irritant ingredient. It's super for sensitive skin, and it softens, it smoothens your skin, and as well it has moisturizing properties too. Great ingredient. And of course, I have in here a hyaluronic acid. It's already pre-mixed and made in a liquid form. Usually hyaluronic acid comes into powder form. And of course, we have to not forget our preservative. I have in here water-based natural preservative, Serum mix, and yes, and what else we'll need? We're gonna need a little, I like to use these glass bottles. It's like 60 ml glass bottles, and it's a pump bottle. I'm using these for my facial emulsions and for the serums. It's very good. So what we need to do, first let's mix water and aloe vera juice together. So we pour our aloe juice into water, okay? And now let's put our dry ingredient, which is niacinamide powder, into the water and aloe vera juice mixture. Okay, and just mix it very well. Niacinamide is soluble in water, so it will dissolve in a minute or two. Now to this, let's add, we're putting our everything on the scale, turning out the scale, and let's add panthenol. Okay, panthenol is a B5, and I'm using 5% of the whole formula, so it's 3 grams. D-panthenol, a little bit, great. Okay, it's as well water soluble, so let's mix it. Now, back on the scale, stirring at the scales, and let's add our hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid will be 2% of the whole formula, so it is 1.2 grams. Okay, perfect. Very good. We can move the scales, we can mix in. Now, as you see, all those great active ingredients, they're all water soluble, so everything is water soluble. Now, we're just gonna transfer water into our glycerine and xanthan gum mixture. We're putting a little bit and then just mixing very well. And that's how you're adding little by little. Okay. cannot really smell, maybe just a little bit of the aloe vera juice, but not much. Okay, so before we adding our preservative, make sure, because this is only water-based ingredients, so there's no even a little droplets of oil, anything, nothing. So make sure that you use your preservative, which is 100% water-soluble preservative, because some preservatives like Preservative Eco, it's half oil-based, it's half water-based, you know, so just be sure that your preservative is water-based. Before I add my preservative, I have to check what is my pH levels. And for this preservative, it's active till the pH is up till 5.5. So let's check. Do we need to adjust it or we don't? Okay, and what I have here, and it is between 5 and 6, so that's what it is, and it's fine. I'm not gonna adjust it. Now I'm just putting all the mixture back onto the scales, and I need to add the preservative. Preservative is 0.5% of the preservative, which is 0.3 grams. So yeah, that's all mixture here done. Mix it very well, guys. And as well, if you want, oh, I can really smell the aloe vera now. If you really want some nice smell, you can do and substitute and use your favorite hydrosols. Most of them have a really nice smells, and you can really smell in your serums. So mix it, mix it, mix it. Okay, and let's now transfer to this little bottle. Perfect. I used only 0.2% of xanthan gum. So if you think that this serum is too liquidy for you, okay, you would like to kind of have more gel consistency, don't be afraid, adjust your formula, and you can put like as much as 0.5 or even 1% of xanthan gum, but 1% it would be way too much. So yeah, let's just try it here. You can really still feel the gum. It's lovely smell, and you can really feel the gum. I don't think that you will need more, but check it out with yourself. And yeah, I love the smell. It's perfect. So how you apply the serum? Serums you have to apply first. You wash and cleansing your face, number 1 step. Then you spring the toner, number 2 step. After the toner it dries out, then you applying your serum on the face, on the clean face, toned skin. You're applying the serum, you're waiting till it's gonna dry it out into your skin for about 1-2 minutes max, and then you're applying your moisturizer. And if it is the daytime, then you have to apply your sunscreen as well. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and maybe you would like to try this. It's packed with the full great vitamins, hyaluronic acid, which is super good, hydrates your skin and moisturizes your skin. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next week. Bye.